Hey everyone! Today I want to share something that could totally flip our understanding of physics. Imagine the universe, every push, every pull, being governed by just four fundamental forces: gravity, electromagnetism, the strong force, and the weak force. That's what the standard model says. But now, there's a fresh clue that there might be a fifth force waiting just out of sight. Here's what happened. A team of physicists from Germany, Australia, and Switzerland decided to put 5 different calcium isotopes under the microscope. They weren't smashing atoms together in some massive collider. Instead, they used laser spectroscopy, basically shining ultra-precise lasers at atoms to watch how electrons jump between energy levels. This is where things get wild. When you plot these electron transitions for each isotope, you should get a straight line, a king plot. But they found a tiny wobble. Not a huge bend, just a subtle blip off the line. And that little anomaly? It might be a sign of a new, unknown force at work inside atoms. Physicists call this kind of force a Yukawa-type force, named after a scientist who predicted similar forces back in the 1930s. If it exists, it's millions of times weaker than gravity. So weak, it's basically a whisper among the shouts of the other forces. Yet it might interact with neutrons and electrons in a way we've never seen before. Now let's pump the brakes for a second. This isn't proof of a fifth force. What the researchers found is more like a map of where this force could be hiding. A tiny region in what physicists call parameter space. To confirm it, we need more experiments, tighter measurements, and a whole lot of cross-checking to rule out any mundane explanations. Still, this isn't the first time physicists have chased the idea of a new force. Remember the Hungarian team and the mysterious X-17 boson? That was another hint, but it hasn't been confirmed. What makes this new calcium study different is the sheer precision. It's all about fine-tuned measurements in a lab, not huge accelerators or cosmic rays. If this fifth force pans out, the impact could be massive. We're talking about rewriting the textbooks, opening up new technology, and maybe even solving the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy. Some physicists say it could explain cosmic behaviors that gravity just can't. What's next? More labs, more measurements, and a lot of debate. The researchers hope their results spark a worldwide effort to figure out if this atomic hiccup is a fluke, or the beginning of a whole new chapter in physics. It's a good reminder. Even in 2025, when we think we've got the universe figured out, nature loves to keep us guessing. The forces shaping everything around us might have a few secrets left to reveal. If you're as excited about this as I am, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more science that'll blow your mind. Do you think we're on the edge of a physics revolution, or is this just another wild goose chase? Let me know below.